The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine delivers unparalleled precision and efficiency across industries like chemical processing, food production, nuclear power, pharmaceuticals, electronics manufacturing, and clean pipeline systems. Let's dive into its application in the chemical industry. In the chemical sector, pipelines must handle corrosive materials and hazardous substances without compromise. The TATE machine ensures corrosion-resistant, high-quality welds, making it ideal for systems transporting chemicals under extreme conditions. Its automated orbital welding system provides consistent results, minimizing the risk of leaks and failures that could lead to costly shutdowns or environmental hazards. With support for materials like duplex stainless steel and nickel alloys, the TATE machine is an indispensable tool for chemical production facilities worldwide. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering fully customizable OEM and ODM solutions.